In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wave versus Google Sheets 2026. Is Wave worth it? If you're choosing between Wave and Google Sheets for bookkeeping in 2026, this walkthrough will help you see which one fits your business better. Both can track income and expenses, but they work in very different ways. Google Sheets gives you manual control and unlimited flexibility, while Wave automates the busy work and adds built-in accounting tools. We'll compare pricing, automation, ease of use, reporting, and overall value so you can make a confident decision. Let's start with Wave. It's one of the most beginner-friendly accounting platforms available today, and the main draw is pricing. Wave offers a free starter plan with unlimited invoices, expense tracking, estimates, customer management, and basic bookkeeping tools. For many freelancers and small businesses, that's enough to handle day-to-day accounting without a monthly fee. There's also a pro plan at around $190 per year, which adds automatic bank imports, smart transaction categorization, receipt scanning, automated payment reminders, and improved payment processing. Automation is Wave's biggest strength. Instead of typing every transaction into a spreadsheet, Wave can import and organize your financial activity for you. It also generates core reports automatically, including profit and loss, expense summaries, sales insights, and tax-friendly views, which saves time at month-end and tax time. The interface is clean and approachable, designed for non-accountants. Wave is ideal for freelancers, consultants, side hustlers, small service businesses, and beginners who want simple, reliable tools. The trade-off is customization. Advanced businesses may outgrow Wave and need more powerful software as complexity increases. Now, Google Sheets is one of the most widely used free spreadsheet tools in the world, and is included with Google Workspace, though basic personal use remains free. In 2026, typical workspace pricing includes a starter tier around $6.30 per user per month, a standard tier around $12.60, a plus tier around $22, and an enterprise tier with custom pricing. Pricing may vary by region and promotions. Unlike Wave, Sheets is entirely manual. You build your bookkeeping with rows, columns, formulas, and templates. The upside is total flexibility. Create expense trackers, budgets, income logs, forecasts, tax trackers, and custom dashboards. It's cloud-based and great for real-time collaboration. The downside is effort and risk. There's no built-in invoicing, no automatic bank syncing, and no native accounting reports. Manual data entry can be error-prone, and as your business grows, spreadsheets can become harder to manage. So, is Wave worth it in 2026? For most freelancers and small businesses, yes. If you want automation, invoicing, reporting, and beginner-friendly tools, Wave typically beats Google Sheets. If you prefer full customization and don't mind manual work, Sheets is still a solid free option. To save time and reduce errors long-term, Wave usually wins. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other accounting software tutorials and comparisons. See you in the next video.